I have here a spinning platform and the bike wheel. Let me start spinning this bike wheel. And please help me. Hold it. Thank you so much. Go to this platform. Give it to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Nothing happened. Now I put it upside down, I'm spinning. And I stop. I put it upside down, I'm spinning. And I stop. How does it work? This is illustration of the fundamental law, conservation of angular momentum, sort of conservation of rotation motion. I have here the whole system of the platform, myself, and the bike wheel. When I change the rotation of one part of the system, in this case it is a bike wheel, I put it upside down. Then I and the platform, we started spinning to compensate the change, to keep the rotation the same. Want to see a gyroscope? Let's start spinning the bike wheel, and now 3, 2, 1. It is spinning and goes in large circles. It is also precessing because of the force of gravity. These fast spinning objects are used in orientation systems, in spacecraft and ships and aircraft. Nowadays, instead of spinning wheel, people use ring laser gyroscope and some electronic sensors.